Welcome to QuickFuel Technology. QuickFuel builds custom carburetors and fuel systems for performance street and racing vehicles. Virtually all of our products are handcrafted, assembled, and tested in our Bowling Green, Kentucky factory. Our products are all designed with maximum performance in mind and ease of use by our loyal customers. QFT uses the highest grades of billet and die-cast aluminum components that provide lightweight and durable products. Much of QFT's power advantage on the street and track comes from its patented components like its four-door power valves that react quicker and flow more fuel than the competition. Like many of our systems, our power valves are tested and calibrated to exact specifications. QFT color codes its fuel components by fuel type. Red is for gas, blue is for methanol, and green is for E85. Individual components, like the fuel bowls, are pre-assembled with the designated needles and seats and float assemblies. QuickFuel carburetors are modular in design and are hand-assembled and adjusted by carburetor specialists. All QuickFuel carburetors are 100% run-tested on an engine before shipment. The tech sets idle speed, mixture screws, and checks for secondary opening and fuel leaks. A big part of our business is building fuel pressure regulators of all types. Not only do we hand-assemble them, but we fully test and calibrate them before they are shipped out. Here you can see our color coding process for a series of billet aluminum regulators. They are specially coated for protection against corrosion from the type of fuel that will be used. QFT is known for its street and racing fuel pumps. They too are hand-assembled and are 100% flow and pressure tested at the factory. QFT offers a unique throttle body fuel injection system that has patented annular discharge nozzles that atomize the fuel better than traditional throttle bodies. Here you can see the annular sleeves being installed. Here's the QFT payoff: easy bolt-on, tire smoking performance.